Hey everyone out there, Alaska living the dream here. We just finished up a 16-hour day halibut fishing down here in Homer. We had an awesome day. Kids caught halibut. My dad was in town from out of state. He caught halibut. We went out with my friend on his nice boat. We had a beautiful day on the water. It was a little lumpy coming back, but I think we ended up killing 16 halibut. Probably the average weight was, I don't know, 30 pounds. We had a couple 60, 70 pounders. Yeah, it was a real good day. Everybody caught fish, and man, it was a long day. But yeah, we had a blast. We're gonna put together a little highlight reel of our day, and hopefully you enjoy it. If you like what you see, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe. I gotta get the boys, it's late. They've been out all day. They're down here scavenging on the beach, being boys. But yeah, beautiful Homer, Alaska. Great place to halibut fish, great place to camp and enjoy Alaska. All right, hope everybody's living the dream out there. You boys ready to go slay some halibut?
Yeah!
Okay, we got the bait loaded up. You ready? Pop him out of some.
He's probably gonna water him, juice him.
I got my Dramamine.
Yeah. Good job, Bo. There you go. Hold it right there, and you're real. Good job, son.
Good job, Bo.
How's he feel? Heavy?
I've seen 100 pounders come up like that,
Yeah.
you know?
If you get tired, I'll take over, okay? Want me to reel a little bit? You got it?
He's got her.
Nice.
Here, Russ. Oh, it's a shark, Bo.
A dogfish. This early?
You caught a shark, Bo.
I can't see it.
You caught a shark, big one.
Early for those.
Reese, come over here. You want to see the shark?
Hold on, I'm gonna pull him out.
You hurt, Jimmy?
Fish. Help you out. You good. Fish? Yeah.
I didn't farm it. You got one, Dad?
Yeah, it's not very good.
That'd be a trophy on my boat, Jimmy.
Okay, watch out.
What's your okay, Bo? We gotta move the cooler. Move the cooler, Bo.
Yeah, Bo. Where's that gun?
It's under the seat.
Under the seat. This one's a keeper. This one's a keeper. But you did good in me. It's in my glory. Travis gonna use that jig to hook him at the end. And take the glory. 500 pounds. Okay, probably smaller than that first one, but it's not good.
Dad, you're getting a bite over there. Guy. You were.
Not bad. Keeper. Come on,
It's
get
not
him.
a shooter.
I like that cod. Jimmy, you want me to pick him up out of the water? Get back behind me.
Go ahead.
Okay, I got it. That's keeper.
Yeah. Juice it.
Juice that baby
Look
up.
at my the oiler.
Oh yeah. Lubricate
Okay,
it.
there we go. Okay. Here. Okay. Come on up. Come on. Now gap it.
Does it feel like a good fish, Bo?
Bo's doing it.
There you go, real nice. There you go, he's running, just hold on a second. There you go, alright, real. There you go, there you
Good job, Bo.
go. Nice. Coming up, it's coming up.
Oh yeah. A little longer. Come on, Bo.
You're working up. Here, you move over closer. You
Doing
look
good,
over,
buddy.
okay? Keep reeling.
Doing good, buddy.
Look for color. Keep reeling and look out there.
Let's see this beast, Bo.
There you go, you getting them.
That's with the bow.
You're almost there,
bait.
bud. You're almost there. Nice job. Alright, let's look for color. You should be coming up here shortly. There you go. See if we get color. Oh, good. Nice. Nice, we're getting there. We're getting there. There you go. There you go, nice. Oh, he's almost here, he's almost here. Keep going, keep going. You got it, you got it.
Gotta see color. It's
Color,
good fish,
color.
Bo.
Good gap.
Okay, hold it right there, Bo.
Hold it right there, hold it right there. Oh, that's a good fish here. Hold it there.
Man, Bo,
Hold
look
it
at this
there.
beast.
Back up, Bo. Oh!
Watch the rod.
Watch.
Bo and the beast.
We got Reese Kachemak, who launched out of Kachemak Bay today. Good job, son.
There you go, keep going. Keep going. There you go.
Reese is hooked up here,
Here, I'll get it lower for you. There you go.
hooked onto the monster.
There you go. Good job, Reese.
Oh yeah, keep going.
He's coming up quick. Look at that big muscles working.
He might weigh more than you, Reese.
Oh yeah.
Good job, son.
There you go. There you go. Nice. Nice. Keep it coming. Slow and steady one's the race. There you go. Good job, Reese. All right. It's blue, so we don't have too much longer. Well. All right. Let these run a little bit. Let them
Ooh.
Let them run.
Nice run.
There you go. Oh, let me get out here for a second. Okay, reel. You ready? Gun reel. Let me get it down to you. There you go. Reel. There you go. Keep going. There you go. Turn them out. There you go. Nice job. Keep going. Alright. Sometimes you're going to want to take a little bit. Probably sees that sunshine, that light, you go right back down. There you go. Good job.
Oh, Bo, you were getting a bite.
There you go. We're getting to the orange line now. You're working them up. There you go. See, read up all that blue line. Now we're getting the orange line. There you go. Keep going. Keep going.
Good job, son.
Keep going. Nice job. Hold on. Let's move out here a little bit. I just want to be able to keep that tip away from the boat. There you go.
Bo, you got the gaff ready?
There you go. Keep it. got this. We're almost to the turquoise line. There you go. Keep going. Look, we're about to the turquoise. Keep going. Keep going.
Ooh, I see color.
See color?
I see color. Here he comes. Get the gaff.
Boy,
A nice
that's
fish.
A nice fish,
Okay.
buddy.
All right, bring the gaff over. Bring the gaff over. Look at that.
Good job, buddy.
Look at that. Oh, here comes your fish. Reese, look at that. Look at that.
Oh, good job.
Good job, Reese.
That's a good fish.
That's nice, buddy. Good job.
Oh, I want
They want the head.
Oh, yeah, she wants her head, don't you?
Oh, absolutely.
What?
Oh, no, they all do.
Take some
Fish
fish head
head
soup.
We're out in the harbor cleaning them. It's easier to clean them out here. And then
That's a nice load of fish, man. Damn right.
Did you guys have fun today? You guys are gonna thank Captain Travis?
Your first name.
Oh, I have a
we got the whole crew to thank.
That's a lot of halibut, huh? Well, we made it back to the home base. We had a broke down truck in Homer last night, but we made it back. We're processing the halibut. We got the king strips all ready to go for the smokehouse. Chloe did an amazing job on that. This is what we like to see. Filling the freezers. Got a nice haul of halibut. We're gonna have some kings, smoked kings. All in all, it was a pretty good trip. Kids had a lot of fun. Can't wait to get back out there again. Make sure you like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. And thanks for watching Alaska Living the Dream.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to